So last class discussed about so what is there is some copy command. Which commands last class we discussed? Copy command, move command, and rename, and also remove directories, remove files and all. That is right. And also mostly copy cp command and also move if you want to. So use move command. Move, there is two ways we can use. One is move files from one location to another location. We can use move, or we can use so right. Rename also we can use same. Also we discuss right how to remove files, how to remove directories, rm, rmdir, and mostly we use the va. How to work with the va command. So va means this is the editor. If you want to modify files, and so va space so file name. Mostly we are using so this one only. We can use any editor, but commands is same only. If you want to work with editors, all are same only. Can you see my screen? Now go to here. Hello,
Yes, sir.
my screen is visible. Okay. Now go to here. Now in VI, so ls, and if you want to edit the file, if you want to edit the file, so how we can edit VI space file name, VI space file name, and so VI space file name, and whatever we want, so we can edit. So last class we used a few shortcut keys. These all are the shortcut. If you want to save W, if you want to quit the file, and save and quit WQ, and so without save, and colon Q exclamatory mark, and if you want to set the numbers, and set nu numbers, and so colon set no nu, and so what is this? If you go to particular line, suppose a file has large file, if you have many lines, and so if you want to go to last line, colon dollar, it will go to end of the end of the file last line, that is nothing but last line. If you want to go to specific line, colon that line number, whatever line number, for example I want to go to 150 line, it will go to that particular line. So already last class we discussed. Anyone any doubt here? So save and quit. Mostly we are using this one only. Save, how to without save, and if you want to set numbers, and if you go to particular numbers and all. Anyone any doubt? These commands already last class we discussed. We see today we'll see continuation how it will work. Clear guys? Yes or no? These are the mostly we are using, and we'll go for next. I will show you some of these. Even if you don't know, we can work with. If you don't know means it will take time. I want to go to that particular line, we can use up arrow, down arrow, we can go to that particular line. If you know this all keys, we can so we can save the time. That's it, we can save the so time. So set and all already we see exit command, exit mode commands. Now we'll see so cursor navigation, and so if you want to delete particular line, and so edit to files, okay, and so edit mode, and so how to insert and append data. Append means I want to add data. So now this is my file, right? I want to add something. I want to add some data. So if you want to add some data, where you want to add. So now see here, for testing purpose I need some more data. So the web I go to here, I need some data for testing purpose, just I am copying, Control C, go to here, just paste it. Okay. So now see here. So this is my data, and escape colon W. Save the file. Okay. Now I added some data. Now come to here, how to play with. So you want to append data. So capital A means to append data at the end of the line. So now for example, so here I want to add some data. So here I want to add some data, and so that case we need to use what is the capital A. Capital A means so if you press capital A, if you press capital A, see here my cursor move on to last line. Cursor move on to last line. Okay. So wherever you want, we can add data. Wherever you want, we can add data. These all are very simple only. Just we have to practice. So that's it. Nothing. End of the line. So I means right, insert data beginning of the line. I hope already know. I means so if you want to add data. So if you want to add data, so initially what I need to do, I means it will convert to insert mode. Now see here in bottom also we can see. Now we can add data. I means insert, capital M means add data end of the line, and A means append data right side of the cursor position. So small a means for example my cursor is here. My cursor is so here. I want to add so software, right? So if you want to add left side of your cursor, so that case we can use small a. See here, sorry, append data right side, and I means insert data left side. This is the A means right side. I means so left side of the cursor wherever you want, a small a. First you need to give escape, and if you press a small a where you want to add. So if you want to add something, this is the left side or right side, wherever you want we can add it. So these are very simple only. Now delete. So right, I want to delete. See, I want to delete this line. So how to delete? In Windows, if you want to mouse, we can copy and we can paste and we can delete, right? But this is the everything command prompt. If you want to edit, if you want to delete, see here particular line, I want to delete this line. How we can delete? Select that line, particular line, and we can press delete button means it will delete. And same way, this is the editor. Here I want to delete this line. So how to delete? So this is the command. So this is the command. So D. So see here, this is the, come to here. Where is the document? Now go to here. Hmm. Now see here, dd means so see here x means delete single line. I want to delete characters wise. So you can delete the either by character wise or word by wise by using lines. These are x to delete single character. 3x means how many characters. Capital X means so previous character. Capital so that is 3 capital X means delete the last 3 previous characters. This is x, capital X. Now see here, I am here. I am here, and I am using so X. Now see here, I am pressing X in my keyboard. So this is the delete. Wherever you want, we can delete. So capital X means, see here, capital X, left side. Now got it. So same way. So if you give multiple characters, that case we can use number. I want to delete. So for example, uh, 2x, two characters at a time it will delete. For example, I am giving 5x. Now see here, 5 characters should be deleted. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt here? So if you want to delete, so this is the small x, and so this is the x, and so number, how many characters you want. For example, 10x means 10 characters, and so capital X. And also if you want to number how many, 20 means we can give 20 capital X, like this. So this is the, if you want to delete, if you want to delete the characters, so delete character single, same, and so this is the previous before, that is the next and the previous based on. Now so this is a word, dw means delete the current word. Now observe here, I am in here, I want to delete. So whatever you want. So I want to delete this word, I want to delete. So this is the, see here, dw. Dw means delete the current word. So now I am in movement, right? So now I am in movement, I want to delete. So now we can use so dw. Dw in our keyboard we need to press it. We need to delete current word, and so delete three words, whatever you want. See here, arrow one, it is working only one. dw. See, based on cursor, it will delete the next continuous word. So whatever you want, we can. Now dw and number. I want to, so for example here 1, 2, 3. I am giving number. I am giving number. So that case it will delete the three words. That case it will delete three words. So 3 I am typing. So 2 dw. See here, right side two words it will be delete automatically. Software development I want to delete. See here, these are the two words, right? I want to delete, or I want to delete these three words. So now what is the command? So and number and dw. See here, 3 dw. So three words are deleted at a time. Got it? So anyone, any doubt? So how it will work? Only just these are the shortcut keys only. These are the shortcut keys. So if you want to delete, and mostly we can use this one, delete line wise. DD, delete the current line and how many lines you want delete, and so delete from current position to end of the line and whatever. So mostly we are using DD. I don't want this line. I don't want this line. How to delete this entire line? In Windows means we are selecting this line and we can delete, right? But I am in this line. I am in this line wherever you want. So I don't want this line. I want to delete. So that case we can use a DD, delete the current line. Now see here, DD. This is entire single word. I copied paste, right? So now I am copying and notepad. Then I am copying. Now it will come line wise. Note Control A, Control A, Control C, copy. Now go to here. Now paste. Now also it is treating so line by line. Insert. Now I'm going. This is IT operation, and this is the second line. It is taking last lines and all only single line. Just I'm giving splitting. That's it. I'm not going to do anything. Okay. Now total so 5 lines, right? So 3, 4, 5 lines. Okay. Now I want to delete this line. So don't first before come outside, don't in insert mode. Insert mode మీ commands work out. First give escape. Click on escape, then use commands. I don't want this line where developers who write code this line I don't want. If you want to delete this line, what is the command? If you want to delete that line, what is the command? If you want to delete, see here dd, small dd. So two times. See if I press small dd, see here that entire line deleted. Got it? అర్థమవుతుందా? Clear? Hello?
Yes.
Okay. These are third case. Next, I want to delete so 3 lines at a time. I don't want this line, this line, this line. I don't want 3 line. Place the cursor where you want, and so these 3 lines I don't want. Now what I need to do? 3dd. That's it. See, 3dd to delete 3 lines. Now I'm placing here. I'm giving 2dd. 2dd. 2 lines deleted. Got it? So like this, so we can use. Now see here delete from the current position of the entire line, and so this is the delete. See here dollar means current position to end of the line, and delete current position to beginning of the line. This is the beginning. So cap means beginning, this is dollar means end of. Now go to here. Now I go to here. Now I'm placed here. I'm placing my cursor here. So now you want to delete so this data, or you want to delete this data. See here, my cursor is here. Now I'm in middle of the line. Suppose if you want to delete data from this data or from this data, this is the left side and this is the right side. This is the right side based on cursor. So if you want to delete, so delete for your current beginning of the line, and so dollar means so end of the line. Now select anyone, whatever you want. I want to delete this data or this data. Now I want to delete this data. Now this means now we need to use, see here, this is the dollar. Now place here, and so d dollar, d dollar, d dollar. So first you need to press d, next dollar symbol, you know, right? Shift పట్టుకొని మీరు 4 ప్రెస్ చేయాలి. Okay, d uh, d shift dollar. Now see here, deleted that data. So whatever you want, we can delete like this. So these are the shortcut keys. Same way we can use cap symbol. What is that symbol means? In our keyboard, that is 6, shift 6. So that one. And so D G G G delete from the beginning of the current position, and DG delete current position of the end of the line. And how to replace? Mostly we are using this one also. Some case replace. You know, right? Windows find and replace. How it will work? Find and replace. Anyone? Any idea? Find and replace. This is my data. You know, right? There is one option, Control H. Control H means find and replace. And I want to, this is the find. I want to replace this word. Be, for example, movement. For example, development. I want to replace it by software. How we can replace here? Hello? అర్థమవుతుందా? So replace. I want to replace this word development. So replace it by I want software. ఎలా రీప్లేస్ చేస్తారు? Go to that
Control
particular
H.
line. That go to line. One word means we can change it. For example, if you want to change many areas, and there is a Control H, and this is the find which word development replaced by, for example, DevOps. Hmm? So now see here, replace and replace all. This is the Windows. But same way, if you come to here, so here find and replace. If you want to replace something, this is the, so see here, replace data. Replace the current character, and to replace multiple characters from the current position, or a capital S, or we can use small c, replace the single line. You want to replace or whatever you want. Multiple characters, I want to replace capital R. Small r means replace current character. See here, so this is the, see I am in here begin. I want to capital letters. I want to capital letters. Here I am using see control B. So first R, right? First R. R means so replace, and so I want to capital B. Now see here, I replaced. Now got it. So this and all. So this is the R means single character. So multiple characters capital R. Multiple character replace capital R. I want to replace by. Now I want to replace it by. So now see here, whatever you want. So we can type it. Apps. See here, multiple characters. So whatever you want, we can use it. Now this is same only. Now this is a new line, insert data. Before line or after line, I want to add one line here. Now just assume so here I am using DevOps Jenkins. I want to add one line here. We can press enter also, it will add one line. This is a regular. If you want to add any new line, we can press enter also, no problem. No, sir, I don't want enter. Now I want to use with the help of shortcut, C capital O small o. So open the new above the cursor position. So now I'm in DevOps line, correct? So capital O, small o. Now I'm using, see here, I'm using, so escape, capital O. Capital O means now cursor position before. For example, after means small o. After means small o. Sorry. Escape. After means so small o. Now see here. Got it. Anyone any doubt? Only one line. Only one line only. Only one line only. Clear? Anyone any doubt? Small o, capital O. So first place the cursor wherever you want. I placed it here, and so here I want to add one line. So whatever you want, so we can use, so we can use, that's it. See here, one line is added, one line, that is the capital O or small o. And and this is the copy and paste data, right? Windows control C, control V, how it will work. Same way, if you want to work with here, copy and paste data. So if you want to copy to line, and copy how many lines, copy a word. So if you want to copy line, so what is the command in Windows? In Windows, I want to copy data, control
Select
C, right?
all the line
uh,
and control C.
for example, one word, I want to copy this one. Okay, so now if you want to copy here, see here, yy, copy the entire line, whatever you want. For example, I want to copy this line, the DevOps moment, DevOps around 2007. I want to copy this line. So escape yy. And where you want to paste in Windows, if you want to paste, what is the command?
Control V.
Control V, right?
E.
Now if you want to paste here, there is a one more word, P means paste. So where you want to paste, for example, I want to paste under URL, under URL. So wherever you want, so just give uh, escape, escape V. Sorry, I still go to first copy, and so copy means YY, and so paste means so P. See here, P. Wherever you want, we can copy and paste entire line. YY means it will copy entire line. Wherever we want, we can paste it. One time copy, many times we can paste, no problem. See here, I am pressing multiple times. So wherever you want, we can, wherever you want, so we can paste it. That is the V. P means here, V means paste. YY means copy. Mostly this is mostly we are using. YY means copy, copy line, copy line. Paste means P. In Windows, how we are pasting, that is the paste. P means paste. Okay, see here, P means paste. And how many lines you want to copy? If you want to copy multiple lines, that case we need to give number and yy, number and yy. So now if you go here, for example, I want to copy these lines, I want to copy multiple lines, I want to copy these lines. So these URLs, DevOps and DevOps, this and all. Let me try here. I'm deleting line by line. Okay. So now see here, I want to copy these lines. Just assume. So I'm giving, see, okay, I'm insert mode and Docker, AWS, and for example, Ansible, Git. This is every, now here one is one line. Okay, one line. So now I want to copy these three lines. This is one line, this is one line, this is one line. Now if you want to copy that line, and I'm giving escape, and I'm giving 3 yy. So three lines, see, anchored, three lines copied. And where you want to paste, again I want to paste here, again you want to paste here, again I want to paste here. So control, sorry, P means paste. Now see here, how many times, whatever you want, you can paste it. Got it, guys? This is the, so this is the yy means copy. Yy means copy, and if you want to paste, we can use it. And only words means YW. Only words means YW. YY means entire line. Only words means YW. These are simple only. Now these are the navigation where you want to go. This is very simple only. We can try. So tap up arrow, down arrow, same. So with the help of up arrow, down arrow, we can use it. This is the up arrow, and this is the down arrow. This is the right arrow. This is the left arrow. In our keyboard there is four arrows, right? Left arrow, right arrow, up arrow, down arrow. So if you want to move cursor position wherever you want, we can move it. That is your wish. Simple only. And so beginning, right arrow, double arrow 3, and there is some few words, and move 3b, end of the code, idle of the cursor, end of the cursor. Okay, these all are simple only. Exit modes. And so one page forward, this is the control F, and this is the control B. One page forward, backward. Now we know, right? Page nations. uh, Page, for example, if you have multiple pages, now see here, I have as of now only, so one page. And if we have multiple pages, and that case we can use this command, control F, one page forward, and control B, one page backward. So enakki mundiki. Suppose if we have multiple pages, and that case, so we can use so this command. So as of now, VV faced, sorry, PP. I have many pages here. Now total so 93 lines. Total sorry 103 lines. And so now see here. And that case, if you want to go, and that case you need to use control F. See in our keyboard, control, right? Control F. See next page, and the next page. See here. Here also we can check it, forward, backward, 94. And see here, 94, 116, 138, 1. See here. So this is now backward. Backward means so control B. I am pressing B. See here, backward, 182, 60, 38. Now we can observe here number, that is line numbers. Now got it. So this is the backward or forward. These all are shortcut keys only. So these are the shortcut keys, and if you know these shortcut keys, we can easily play with your so editor. Just try practice it. Even Windows, how we are using copy, paste, that and all. So same way, if you want to work with, so here also. If you want to work with here also. Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt as of now? Hello? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. So now interview purpose, most of the cases they are asking, there is one command. Now we'll see what is that command. So grep command. So before going to grep, this is the grep command. So if you want to search anything, see here, globally search regular expressions and print it. So this is the grep. Interview most of, if they asked any questions in Linux, 99% they are touching this command also, grep command. Grep is mostly, right, searching purpose. This is the, you can grep command to search a given pattern in the single or multiple files. I want to search something, I want to search something, or if you want to print something, so that case we should go for grep command. That case we should go for so grep command. Okay, so syntax is very simple only. Grep space pattern space file name, wherever you want. See here. So syntax is very simple only. This is mostly we are using for so grep space, that is string. Whatever you want, we can give string or anything. And so if you want to, we can give file name or whatever. That is different ways we can use it. We'll see one by one how it will work. So graph is mostly, that is the right, so global search. See here, globally search, global globally search a regular expression and print it. I want to do something, I want to do something. So that case we can use so grep command. Now if you observe here, now I am going to do some, I am going to copy something file. So vi I am using, for example, course dot co txt file. I am adding our course details and all. So I am using insert. insert. I'm using so git and so Maven, and so now I'm using Jenkins. Next, whatever you want, we can add it. So row number, for example, serial number I'm giving, and so row number, or else I'm copying already here some test data here, right? Just I'm copying, very simple. So now see here, already they given something. I'm copying this same thing. Oh, Anach. Hmm. Whatever you want. Wait. It is jumping. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Why it is not copying? My PDF it won't copy. Yeah? Automatically it is jumping. Okay. Now mhm, shift. Nothing is working. I'm using something. Something goes wrong. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Now Control C. This is no, not like this. I want to remove. Okay. I will add so regular way. Okay. So now I'm using whatever you want. So we can use, and uh, sub subjects, just we can use anyway, regular I'm using, and so subject, serial number, tool name, fees, just course name, C name, course name, and so fees, and I am using duration. Okay. Now just I'm using so course name, DevApps, and so just I'm using. Okay, and the duration, for example, 75 days. Now see, I'm using Java, duration, fees. I'm using 3 months or 6 months, 180 days, 180 days, and 3, and the .NET. So .NET, and this is also 30,000, and I'm using so this is also 180, 6 months, and 4 Python. I'm using I'm using this is test data. This is my test data, and so 60 days, and AWS. I'm using just I'm using 30 days. This is our test data. Now observe, escape colon x. Now cat space course dot txt. This is my data. This is a file. Just assume this is my file. I want to search something here. This is the course details, right? This is a course dot txt. This is my file name, and so I want to search something. So how we can search? So this is the grep command. So grep space I'm using, for example, so AWS. I am using AWS, and course dot txt file. Now see here. So if you want to search some word, I want to search some string. So this is the AWS, and this is my file name. Now see here whether that AWS, what is the line number, and where that entire line will display. The entire line will so visible here. Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt? So now see here, grep space, I given some string name, and I given my file name. and it will print all matched lines. So for example, I given grep space, I given 30,000, I given 30. How many rows it will come? How many rows it will come? Only one row or two rows? Hello?
Two rows.
Two rows.
True, sir.
Before that, I am using cat command. We can easily understand. Cat space this one. Now see here, grep space 30,000, and I am giving file name course.txt. Now see here, two rows based on this. Now I am using only 75 days course. So how many lines it will come? Only one line. Suppose I am giving 80. Do we have any data related 80? 80? No, right?
No.
So
No, sir.
now see here,
180 will come.
180. So it matched exactly.
Okay.
It is matched. Wherever 80 is available, it will print that lines. It will print that lines. Don't confuse here. Not exact word. It will. For example, I am giving Java. I want to see how many where is Java is visible. See here, grep space grep space globally search. Global means entire file. Global means entire file. I want to search Java and file name. So see here, and where is Java? So for example, I am giving only va. Now is it visible or not? That case also it is visible, va. So now it is highlighting so red color. Now see here, only under this line va is available. Now for example, I am giving for example, this one I am giving something. Now I am giving like this. Now see here, mmm. So nothing is matched. I am not getting any output. So nothing here, empty means it is not matched anything. Now got it? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So whatever you want, we can pass it. Now see here, if you want to match whatever you want, that is search data in the single file. So if you want, we can use this is a string, guys. Whatever you want, we can give. So whether you can use like this also, and so whether you use like this, sorry, file name I missed, right? So I can give course.txt, or whether we can use grep space uppercase single quotation also we can give. What is this and all? It will treat as a string. It will treat as string only. Or else we can use grep space without quotation also I can give. Whatever you want, we can give it. That is your wish. All are same only, same output. Okay. So all are same output only. Don't confuse here. Whether I need to give uppercase, that is a single quotation, double quotation, whatever you want. Now, so suppose if you want to search one word, multiple files also. Now see here, I am going to create so one more file and vi course, right? And so now I am giving uh, I am giving some one more file. Two files I am going to create. This is for the course, right? Now I am giving one more file, fa faculty dot txt file. Insert one. Okay, so this is serial number and c name, course name, and fact. Okay, for example, one dev apps. Just assume dev ops. Okay, dev apps. Now I'm giving my name and java. I given path. Okay, I given .net. I given for example, Python. I given something name. Now see here, whatever you want. If you match it also, it will come. Now 5. So Linux. I'm giving duplicate also. I want to see, and and what is this? Helm. Just I'm giving a duplicate name. That's it. Escape colon X. Now I want to search a string more than one file also. Is it possible? Yes, sir. See here, cat space faculty f facu faculty. Now this is a file, and the cat space course. This is a file. Two files. Now, if you want to search a string more than one file also, we can search it. See here, grep grep space. I want to search something. I want to search something DevOps. I want to search the DevOps. First, see here, file and course. Now see here, see faculty. This is the file name. One line matched. That is DevOps. And course.txt. This is DevOps 20. This is fees, and this is the duration. Now got it, guys? Anyone any doubt? If you want to search more than one file, and that case also we can use grep command. Grep space string name. If you want to multiple files, we can pass multiple files. No, sir, I want to search all text files my string. So is it possible? Yes, sir. That case also possible. See here, grep grep space, and before that, let me check one more file. Any file stage dot, okay, no, dev dot txt, right? Vi dev dot txt file. So here I am using some insert mm, pati. I am giving uh, so some names, escape colon x. Now I want to search the string all text files. I don't know what is that text file name. I want to search. Now see here, grep space grep space. I'm giving something, so pati, and so I want to search star.txt files. What is this meaning?
All
Star
text
means all.
All files. Extension should be
dot
text file. That's remember. Okay, now see here. So dev.txt file pati matched, and faculty.txt file pati one line matched, and so faculty.txt six line also matched. This is the second line, this is the sixth line, like this. Now if you want to, we can search that case also. This is the star, and whatever you want we can give and all. Now to search data by ignore case. Ignore means whether it is uppercase or whether it is lower case. So that is the ignore case. Ignore case means, now see here, I am giving repeat grep capital letter star dot txt, same only I given. Now see here, I am not getting any output. Why I am not getting any output?
They all are in small,
All are in small,
case
but you
sensitive.
given so uppercase. So
Hmm.
but pati is same only, right? Whether it is uppercase lowercase, I want to display the name. So that case, so hyphen I means ignore.
ignore.
Ignore case. Hyphen I means ignore. Hyphen I means ignore. Here also there is many, we can pass it grep hyphen help. If you want to know anything, so just go to here. So now see here, I means ignore. Ignore case, ignore case, ignore case. So that is the ignore case. Whatever you want, we can use it. Match only whole word. Now see here, hyphen W. Match only whole lines. So that is hyphen X, we can pass it. So data line ends with in 0 bytes. Whatever you want, we can pass it remaining. V means verbose, M means stop after the MM. These are the whatever you want, we can pass it. So here I means ignore. I means ignore. Whether it is uppercase or lowercase, I don't want. So I want to display that content. That's it. So that case we can use hyphen I, ignore, hyphen I, ignore. So mostly they are asking this one also. So they given so small letter in the file. But here I am searching uppercase. I am not getting anything. So that case you should pass hyphen I, ignore case. Hyphen I, ignore case. And so if you want to count how many times, that case we can use control hyphen c. Hyphen c means count. Hyphen c means so count. So in this file, in this line, that is a count. See here. So how many counts you want? So that case to display the number of occurrences. Now see here, I am giving. So what is the file name? And course.txt file. So Pati is not course.tsc. Pati not available. Okay. Now ignore case. Now where it is faculty, right? FAUL faculties. Now see here two times. Now I want to count. I want to count. So now we can use hyphen C. Hyphen C means now we can use a count. How many matched in this file? Two where it is matched. Now got it? I means ignore case, C means count. I means ignore case, C means count. How many matched count? Remaining all are same only. We can practice nothing. Now to display the line number before result, I need to print line number also. I want to print line number also. Do you have any line number here? Here it is printing, right? Same way. So like this, we can use n also. N means so I am using so n also. Now see here, I am using n also. See here, I am using n also. Line numbers. Now to display the file names in which pattern. So if you want to give a file name also and where it is matched. So for example, I given, and so this is the string name and this is the file name. And if you want to give, so that is what is the option? Hyphen L. File name I want to check it. Now see here. So I want to give file name. That case we need to use hyphen L. So which file it is matched? Faculty.txt file, Pati is available. Faculty.txt file, Pati is available. Clear guys? Anyone any doubt? Hello? Got it?
Yeah, clear.
So grep is very important. So we can use hyphen I, ignore case, hyphen C, count, hyphen N, line number, hyphen N, line numbers, and so file name is hyphen L. So these are the arguments. Whatever you want, we can pass it. Not only this, there is many arguments we can pass it. We can give anything. That's it. Now see, to print except match line, remaining lines only. I want to print only that particular line. I want to print only that particular line. That case we can use hyphen V. So that case also hyphen V. Now see here. So these are hyphen V, only hyphen V. Now see here, hyphen V, and I am giving so only hyphen V, whatever you want. So what you want, for example, I know see name. Now see here, except this is the faculty, right? So dev apps and except this line. What is hyphen V means? Where is the given hyphen V? To print except matched line remaining lines. So hyphen V means this is the hyphen V. To have use hyphen V option, it means inverted. I don't want that one, and so remaining if you want to print, so that case hyphen V. And to search for exact word in the file. So if you want to search the exact word, already you know this is the hyphen I, and W means that is the exact word. I want to print only exact word. Now we can use this. All are very simple only. Now we can try it. So ignore case. I can ignore case. I am using Pati and I want to print that exact word. Okay. Now see here. So this one. I means ignore case. W means word. That's it. Now in means so exact word. Now before after. now we can use to display the before after surrounding lines including the search results. So this and all optional before after word. We can try it. Search multiple content in the file. So I want to search multiple contents in the file. Multiple contents. Now see here, I want to search two words. Now as of now, I search only one word or multiple words. In this case, I searched only one word
Only
or
one
multiple
word.
word. Suppose I want to search like this also. For example, grep space. I want to search Pati, and same way I want to search my name also. For example. So in this case, how I can search two words? I want to search two words, and this case also it is possible, but we need to give hyphen e. See here, hyphen e, and so file string name, again hyphen e, string name, and file name. Now see here, cat space, cat face, faculty, right? So faculty. Now see here, grep hyphen I. You know, right? I means ignore. Okay, I means ignore. So if you want to search multiple contents, we need to use hyphen e, hyphen e. Okay, now I am using hyphen e, and so first I am giving, for example, I am giving name, same hyphen e. Again I am giving, so for example, Pati, and file name. What is the fact file name? This one. Now got it. Clear, guys? Hyphen e. So instead of providing multiple hyphen e in, there is one more command also is there, that is egrep, extended grep. So like this, if you want to search whatever you want, see if you want to search multiple strings, and that case we should use hyphen e string name, hyphen e string name, hyphen e string name, like this. So instead of passing hyphen e, we can use directly egrep. There is one more command available, egrep. There is one more command. See here. Uh, Sorry, fgraph, graph with hyphen f option, or so fgraph also we can use. So fixed string globally, this is one, and graph egraph. See here, egraph also there is a one more command, and with the help of also we can search. This is a egraph, graph already, egraph, where they used egraph. Just search it, egrep, egraph. Okay, so egraph. Now see here, additional pattern supported by egraph but not graph command. So it matches only of the string in the given list. So whatever you want, instead of providing egraph, simply we can use so like this also. Simply we can use so like this also, multiple. So now same command. So same command we need to use like this. Same command we need to use like this also. So how I can use now, instead of like this, now see here, egrep, grep, egrep, and so this is the syntax. We need to follow syntax, single quotation, and single quotation, close bracket, and close end, and we need to give, for example, Markonda pipe symbol, and we need to give Pati, and remaining file name faculty.txt. Now see here. So if you use only grep command, every string before we need to add hyphen e, hyphen e, hyphen e. So there is one more command. This is the extended graph. If you want to use this command also, this is the, it will support, but graph is not support like this. Graph command it won't support like this. Got it? Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt? You can ask, we can pass multiple
No
strings
doubt.
also. For example, I am giving so I am giving, I am giving, for example, I am giving so Rani also, whatever you want. See here, Rani also matched. So no need to pass hyphen e string name, hyphen e string name. Directly under here we can pass whatever you want. Okay, so Raju. So if Raju is available, it will print Raju also. For example, I am giving so this word not available there. Okay, Okay. Weakness. Now see here, that word it won't print. It is searching, but it is not matched. It is not printing anything. So like this, we can use also egrep. So egreph, and this is the syntax, and this is the syntax. We need to follow this syntax. We need to follow this syntax. We need to follow this syntax. Egreph, and so here e means instead of passing e, just simply we can use egreph. That's it. So grep and egreph, and egreph means we need to follow this is syntax. Don't forget this is syntax. We can follow strings and this pipe symbol. So instead of we can pass whatever we want, we can pass names. This is the string name. This is the string name. We can pass a string name. We can add multiple strings. Whatever we want, we can string name like this. And so here we can give file name. We can give file name. This is the syntax. This is the syntax. So now if you go here, we can pass like this also. And egreph, so if you want to print, so if you want to, I will show you later. I need numbers and all. First you need input file, right? Without input file it won't work. And so delete a graph. This is the graph. So first character, second, see list pattern. This is the anchors. So line starts with if any line starts with, and we need to use cap, and any lines ends with, we need to use dollar. Now see here, first line starts with d. D means see here starts with line d. It will display that line. Now come to here, and so go to here, and cat space dev.txt file. So this is a file, right? So any line starts with pati. I want to print that line. So that case we can use. So this is the command. Now see here, these are the names. Now I am giving. So this is the line pattern. This is the line pattern, and this is the cap means the line starts with, dollar means lines ends with. So for example, now this is the syntax. This is the syntax. Grep space, single quotation, cap, that is 6. Shift పట్టుకొని మీరు 6 ప్రెస్ చేయాలి. Starts with m, and what is the file name? dev.txt. Now see here, got it? Anyone any doubt guys here? Starts with line. For example, starts with the line s. How many lines matched?
Two lines.
Two lines.
Sai Shiva.
Sai Shiva. For example, ends with end. End means dollar, 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 and so any word ends with, for example, I am using I means,
Only two.
sorry, dollar, that is right. This is start, ends with, we need to end means not before, after we need to add it. So ends with means I dollar. This is the ends with I, dollar symbol. Where is dollar? Okay, now see here, two lines, pati, sai. This is the, so now what you understand? So here, here, this is the, this is means starts with line. This is the cap. Okay, and this is the dollar means ends with line. Okay, before character, after character we need to add it. Before character, after character only we need to add it. These are these are only for searching purpose, very very useful, but we need to practice. We need to practice. Okay, I want to print only some pattern. So if we know these commands, we can easily play with file. Suppose if you don't know these commands, this is very difficult. That's it. So this is ours and all. Now we see starts with, ends with, in between, see first letter starts with u, and last letter ends with x. So like this, if we want to, we can say it will display the all lines where total line content should be unix. So that case we can use this. All are the very simple only, remaining we can try it. And how to delete blank lines present in the given file. So blank lines means this is the hyphen v. If we have any blank lines I want to remove, so that case we can use hyphen v. So now I will show you next class. So how to filter it, how to print and all. We'll see continuation next class. And egrep cut to paste and tr command. These are simple only. Egrep command. There is some more important interview questions. I will show you next class. Now we have some idea, right? What is a grep command and what is egrep command and how to search strings in particular file or multiple files. Clear? Clear, guys? Anyone any doubt?